Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to fix the frustrating issue of a black screen on YouTube when using your PC. If you're encountering this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1. Reload the YouTube video that doesn't work. Step 2. Log out of your YouTube account. Step 3. Close the browser and restart it. Step 4. Check for browser updates. Go to Settings. Click on About Chrome and check for updates. Step 5. Clear your browser cache. At the top right, click on More. Select More Tools. Click on Clear Browsing Data, and then click on Clear Data. Step 6. Disable hardware acceleration in the web browser. Go to Settings, click on System, and turn off hardware acceleration when available. Step 7. Try a different web browser. Step 8. Restart the computer. By following these simple steps, you can fix the annoying YouTube black screen issue on your PC. Remember to reload the video, log out of your account, close and restart the browser. Check for updates, clear your browser cache. Disable hardware acceleration if needed. Try a different browser, and restart your computer. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in resolving the YouTube black screen problem. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching.